Alright, another addition to the boat. We're sitting there anchored off bottom fishing with the bimini top up. When we start catching them, what are we going to do with them? Throw them back in? What if they're good? What if we want to eat them? What if we want to make a fish barbecue? So I got a little kit. Turns an igloo or cooler into a live well. So just run the wires to the kit. Get yourself a cooler, whatever size you want to get. And it's basically a bilge pump with a bendy hose to some PVC with holes in it. Oh, that's a pretty smart idea. It's not a bubble stone, it's a real live well pump. Circulates the water. You catch a fish, throw them in there, fills it back up, keeps the water cold because it's an ice chest. I dig it.